We've got early access to the Apollo Air and Apollo Air Pro, and now you do too.
Here's what you need to know about the Apollo Air and Air Pro, the two newest entry-level scooters from Apollo. They're named Air because they're light, and as Apollo says, it feels like you're floating above the road. They're both super intuitive to ride, well-built, and stable enough for new riders to jump on right out of the box.
The Apollo Air and Air Pro come with an awesome feature set with a thumb throttle, easy to operate brakes, and a straightforward center display. They're great for commuting short distances with a high-mounted headlight, front suspension, and legit fenders. They're really going to protect you from the rain. They've got a progressive tire profile, which makes it really stable and comfortable to ride. When we rode these, the first thing that we all noticed about them was the ride quality. They both have amazing carving ability, overall stability at high speed, and they're just smooth and quiet, with no squeaks, no rattles, and no wobble. The other thing we love about them is the super clean design. They've got an original deck shape, cool looking non-folding handlebars, the center display, which is, not the easiest to read in the sunshine. It's also got a unique stem latch. We've never seen one like this before, but it's really easy to use. You just open it, slide it up, and the stem comes down. It's also got very few exposed fasteners. It's got the two bolts up here where you install the handlebars, and then you can kind of follow it all the way back across the deck, and you don't see any more fasteners until you get to the stem latch on the deck. In spite of having the same name, there are actually quite a few differences between the Apollo Air and the Apollo Air Pro, some of which you'd expect, like a bigger motor and a larger battery. And that gets you about 4 miles additional range out of the Pro and 3 miles per hour more top speed for about $200. We were surprised though to find out they have completely different front suspension and braking systems. The Pro has a front drum brake and rear regen, while the base model gets no front brake, but it has regen and a disc brake at the rear. Having ridden over 50 scooters now, with about a third of those being entry-level scooters, we found that these just have really exceptional ride quality for their price class. It's sort of like a 9-bot Max, but with better looks and really good handling. How do they stack up on performance? We're crunching the numbers now, and we'll find out in a week or two when we release the full review. This is Paul with Electric Scooter Guide. Ride safe, and don't forget to wear a helmet.